Alright, so while we have the door panel off, take the speaker out just in case you need to get it out. So 1.7 mil. It is a Bose system. You can technically upgrade these, but it's a tough bargain, tough pill to swallow when you find out the price tag. So you can switch these speakers out though. So let me push this little clip down. Can you see that? Push this down and release, you see? Now this whole thing is the speaker. And so what we're gonna do, if it were me, we're not doing it now, but I would cut this whole thing out. But I think they sell these. I think the older ones were similar. I'll try to find the actual brackets that you would need. The problem is this is a digital system, so it really, look at this. They know it's gonna get wet, and they put cloth in there. Unbelievable. The whole speaker's completely wet. It rained. Oh God. So let's put this guy back. So there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.